last evening, the first 9 balls you faced from Pat Cummins, and then you play that drive. And even this morning, the ball seemed to be doing a lot. Can you just take us through your first innings in Test cricket?
I mean, yeah, as you said, when I came into bat, the ball was doing. There was something in the pitch, and the pitch was lively. And but the only thing which I told myself was that that no matter what's happening on the pitch or what's happening around me, I should be able to play my game and I should be able to express myself. So that was and I should be able to play with intent, and that was my whole thought process throughout my innings.
Shubman, both the captains like Virat Kohli in the first test and Ajinkya Rahane before this one had said that they want to give youngsters freedom to express themselves, to play their natural game. So was that at the back of your mind that you are like going there, you should play naturally, you should, there was no worry about, the entire process of, just seeing off the new ball?
I mean, my plans should be able to fit with the team plan. If I'm able to give my team a start as an opener, that is an ideal situation. And that was my goal. And I think it was fitting in the team goal. So that was important.
That team was under a lot of pressure, particularly after the loss in the first test. So, what was your plan when you were making your debut for this test? And did Rahane tell you anything in particular before the test?
No, Rahane Bhai didn't tell me anything in particular, but like as I told earlier, I had certain plans and I had certain expectations for myself, and my plans should be able to fit with the team plan. And before coming into this match, like I was talking with the batting coach and our head coach Ravi sir, and we were talking about how like I should be able to approach this game, and we were just talking about those kind of things.
Shubman, hi.
Hello.
First of all, well played. Just want can you just tell me like seeing the Rahane's knock, how educative it is for a young batsman playing his first test to see such a high quality 100 in really tough conditions. So what are the things that you picked up from Rahane's knock today?
I mean, the way he was so patient about this knock was all about, I think, patience, and he was so patient. And more importantly, when you are playing such a high quality bowling attack, sometimes you go in that shell and then you're not able to, score runs. And the way Rahane Ajinkya Bhai played, it was such a magnificent knock to watch from outside. He was those tough periods, how to see off those tough periods, and then the loose balls he was getting, he was making sure that he put all of them away.
Congratulations, well played on your first knock. So I just wanted to ask, you obviously for Punjab you play at the top of the order in first class cricket, but if you see for India A, you have batted down the order number 6, number 5, and now again for the Indian national team you're opening. So has there been any talk as to where you fit in the team? Do you see yourself as a opener in the long term, or do you see yourself playing in the middle order?
I mean, I don't have any like certain plans for myself. Like wherever the team requires me, wherever the team wants me to bat, I'm happy to bat anywhere.
So congratulations on your debut and playing great now. So I want to know from like in last 1 year you have been an understudy to in the Indian team. You have been traveling with the Indian team in the Test format. That 1 year, how much of that like has held you in coming your knob and actually being settled down and playing the great knob that you played today?
Yeah, as I was saying, like I've been traveling with the team for the last 4-5 series, and to be able to bat in nets to someone like Boom or Shami Bhai and Umesh Bhai and Ishant Bhai, it's a huge confidence booster for a youngster to be playing top bowling attack in the nets. And then when I went out to bat today, I didn't really feel like I'm in a whole new place. Like I didn't feel like a completely different level.
What was your game plan against Cummins, someone you've played against and someone you've played in the nights at KKR?
I didn't have a specific game plan against Cummins. Yeah, I have played against him in the Nets. He's a world class bowler, and it was all about seeing him through in his first spell and not to lose too many wickets to him. That was all. That was the game plan.
there was a lot of turn, a rather unusual turn was seeing in. So how do you reckon this wicket will behave for the fourth inning?
Yeah, I think like in the fourth innings, obviously there's going to be, like as you can see on the first day as well, there was a bit of turn for Ash Bhai and Jaddu Bhai, and then today also we could see a bit of turn from Nathan. I think as the time goes on, obviously there's going to be more cracks and the wicket is going to get more challenging for the batsmen. So it's really important for us to capitalize on this lead that we have, and then to get them all out as quick as possible.
Congratulations, Shubman, on your maiden test knock. Just wanted to know that both Hanuma Vihari and Rishabh Pant got out just when India looked good in the match. How crucial was Ravindra Jadeja's knock, considering that India is now in a better position?
I think it was a really valuable knock. He went into bat when we were 170 something for 5, and like it's very easy for us to loosen up and then let the opposition back in the game. And the partnership between Ajjubai and Jaddubai was really important for us.
शुभमन बढ़िया नॉक खेले आप। मुझे पूछना था, क्रिकेट में हमेशा बोला जाता है कि पार्टनरशिप के ऊपर सब कुछ निर्भर होता है। आज हमारे 3 हाफ सेंचुरी पार्टनरशिप हुए, एक अनबीटन सेंचुरी पार्टनरशिप हुआ। ये बोलना आसान है लेकिन करना कितना मुश्किल होता है जब सामने वाली टीम में गेंदबाजी हो।
हाँ जी, जैसे हमारी भी टीम में ये बात हुई थी कि अगर मैच जीतना है तो पार्टनरशिप्स बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रहेंगे। और जैसे आपने कहा कि हमारी जब पहला विकेट जब जल्दी आउट हो गया था, तो मेरे और पुजी भाई के बीच में यही ज़्यादा बात चल रही थी कि जितना हो सके इस पार्टनरशिप को लंबा लेके जाना है। और अभी जो हमारी अनबीटन सोरेन की पार्टनरशिप चल रही है, वो होपफुली विल मेक इट 150 या उससे भी ज़्यादा की इसको पार्टनरशिप को जितना लंबा हो सके उतना लंबा करने की कोशिश करेंगे।
हाय शुभमन, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वेल प्ले। अगर मैं आप अपनी बैटिंग से कितने सेटिस्फाइड हो? आपका जो डेब्यू इनिंग था and आपका पार्टनर 0 पे आउट होता है, तो ऐसे सिचुएशन में टफ कंडीशन में जब आप नॉक खेलोगे तो आपका आज का इनिंग हाउ सेटिस्फाइड यू आर?
मतलब जिस तरीके से मैं आउट हुआ, मैं आई एम नॉट रियली सेटिस्फाइड विद द वे आई गॉट आउट। ऑब्वियसली वो लास्ट बॉल था कमिंस के स्पेल का, और मुझे निकालना चाहिए था, और इट वाज अ लूज शॉट टू प्ले एट दैट मोमेंट। बट या ओवरऑल जो मेरा गोल था कि मुझे इंटेंट के साथ खेलना है, और पार्टनरशिप अगर पहले विकेट गिरती है तो पार्टनरशिप करनी है, और वो काफ़ी हद तक मैंने की। बट जिस तरीके से मैं आउट हुआ वो काफ़ी मुझे बुरा लगा जिस तरीके से मैं आउट